Picture yourself in the 2021 Kia Sportage. This vehicle still has fewer than 35,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take confidence and your adventurous spirit along on every journey in this elegant and well-equipped Sportage. From its sleek lines to its luxurious interior to its suite of safety tech, this compact crossover has the features you've been looking for. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Upscale comfort blends beautifully with crossover capability in this refined Sportage. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.